we have some breaking news going on in Fort Collins.
Major King is there live. Major, can you get us updated?
Yeah, good morning, guys. We've got a situation here that happened earlier this morning. Let me step aside and just show the scene for you. We're in kind of southeast central Fort Collins at the Village Gardens Apartments. Joining me live right now is Kate Kimball with Fort Collins Police Services. Kate knows a lot more about this than I do. I've only been here for about 15 minutes. So, Kate, step on in just a little bit and tell me what you know.
Well, at 5:11 this morning, officers arrived responding to a call of a loud noise disturbance, potentially suspicious. When they approached the door, the suspect opened the door and brandished a weapon, at which point the officer did discharge his weapon. No one was injured, neither the suspect or the officer, and the suspect was taken into custody safely.
Okay, so this is not, the suspect in question was not shot?
Correct.
Okay. So he's in custody, he's not been transported to a hospital?
That is correct.
Okay, well, that's a little bit different situation than what we thought. Thank you, Kate Kimball, for joining us live. And guys, a little bit different than what we kind of thought this might be, so that's good news. We'll send it back to you. Reporting live from Fort Collins, Major King, Denver 7.